Oh, got one. Yes. No. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to SC Outdoors. Exciting episode, or exciting next couple of episodes, I should say. I'm at Lake Erie, as you can see. I'm up here for, every fall I come up here just to do some steelhead fishing. So that's what we're gonna do. The creeks are very low, very clear. There's only been one real good rain that brought fish in so far. So for those of you who don't know, steelhead, at least this steelhead, there are Pacific steelhead, but this steelhead lives in Lake Erie and comes into the small creeks around here, you know, to spawn every fall. So we haven't had a whole lot of rain yet. We're also up a little bit earlier than I would like to be, but we have another trip next week. So this is kind of it for me as far as what weekend I can come up. But the main focus, at least to start, is gonna be fishing the lake. There should be a lot of fish right out here, just waiting to come into the stream, waiting for the next rain. A ton of boats out there, so I know they're sitting out there. But we will try a couple of the bigger creeks later, where fish might have gone a little farther. The creek here is just right over here. It just hasn't, it's just tiny. But anyways, that's kind of the game plan. Stick with it, stay tuned. This is gonna be a good episode. Oh, got one. I thought it was a rock. Heck yeah. It's about time. I didn't even set the hook because I thought it was a rock. Shit. It's not a bad one. Oh no. Sway between my legs there.
You got him in his belly. Can you grab him? You're good.
I'm alright. Get him in here. Oh. Sweet. Heck yeah. He's got all these marks on the top of him, like he got caught in a net or something.
Wow. Marks on his head?
Yeah, like it's all over his back.
Yeah, I see it.
Kind of crazy. Sweet.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh man.
Oh shit.
Quick update for you guys. Not doing so well. This is spot number 2. We didn't do so hot at the first spot, which is usually our go-to. There's no fish in the creek at this spot, so we're fishing the lake, but we're going to be moving on here in a second. Hopefully we can find some fish. From what we're hearing, there's not a whole lot of fish in the creeks, so it's going to be a lot of lake fishing, I think. But if we can find some in the creeks, that would be ideal. But stay tuned. Hopefully we can find some fish for you here. Another update for you. The weather has turned for the worst. It was sunny and gorgeous earlier. It is really windy now, and we're in another stream. This is the mouth of that stream. Out that way is where it enters the lake. This is perfect spoon water, and I just haven't been able to pick one up. It's been very tough fishing. We've been fishing for 5 hours or so now, 6 hours close. Got some lunch, but just not having much luck. We found a few fish in the streams, but not many. So we don't have much time, probably about 2-3 hours. Hopefully we can get something done. If not, you'll probably see you tomorrow. Hopefully we get something done by the end of this weekend, but stay tuned. Man, it got me good. Got me good. I thought I had a fish. I haven't been stuck this whole time. I thought for sure.
Yeah.
That's probably a good way to end it. I'm about over it. All right, boys, welcome to day 2. It's windy as hell. We're back looking for some steelhead. We're fishing some new streams just to see what we can find. We're gonna be spot jumping a little bit. We might even fish for some wild brown trout at some point today. So stay tuned. Hopefully catch something. Oh, yes. Yes. Heck yes. Heck yes. On the trout magnet. My reel's a little broken, and I'm stuck on some sticks. So that kind of sucks. This is not a good time. That's why you don't give up. Yeah, I got one on right now. Yeah. I was gonna leave here in about 5 minutes. Oh, there you go. A little trout magnet. Hey, like right on shore. I saw him come up there along the leaves there. I just kind of pitched it in there and he grabbed it. I don't love all those sticks down there though. He's wrapped. He's under all those logs. I don't know if I'll be able to get him out. I might be in trouble here. I can still feel him tugging. I'm just stuck. Maybe if I just pull everything in, he'll come with it. I'm not sure where it's stuck. Probably no way I still have him, right? Around you real quick. Yeah, I see my trout magnet. Definitely no fish. Shit. Well, that was a shame, guys. I probably didn't show the whole thing, so I probably cursed way more than I should have, but lost that fish, got wrapped around the logs. It's been so tough to fish. I finally hooked one, and I lose it. But we're going for some browns now, I think. Maybe some steelhead mixing as well, so that is going to be the next stop. Alright guys, welcome to the final push, last stream of my steelhead trip. Can we make something happen? Let's go. Yes. No. Yeah, I lost him. Second cast on that hair jig. Dude, the hook bent out. I told you. I don't know. Yes. Please don't bend the hook. Oh my gosh, he's all wrapped up. Shoot, I got him wrapped in like 30 ways. Now he's off. Yes. Please don't bend the hook. Please don't bend the hook. Bent the hook. I don't even know what to say at this point. I mean, this is the lure to use, but you can't use it because you won't land it.
Did you just ripped it off?
No, it bent the hook out. Kitech. Got it. Oh! Kitech, baby. Didn't bend the hooks, but I missed him.
I don't want to take that wall out, but it's so against you.
I know, it's hard to leave.
Dang, I'll let you leave something else and walk around.
Got him. I don't know how strong these hooks are. I gotta get around this tree. That was close. Let's get this guy in, please. These fish are insane. This tree is going to be problematic, I can tell. This tree sucked. Yeah, it's not bad. For sure. He's hooked good. freaking finally.
What happened for you?
Uh, yeah, we're back in. Oh, man. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, dude, nice. If I can.
That is gonna do it. Man, what an ending. Hooked 3 fish total, 4 fish total, something like that. Did land 1. Had some issues with those hair jigs and their hooks. They were just bending out, but they were working so well. I usually use them for like smallmouth in the wintertime and stuff, but never had any test on the steelhead, so that didn't work very well. But it was a strong end to the day at this creek mouth, thank God. I'm very happy about it. Next up for me, I might do an evening of fishing for some walleye this week, but we have another trip next weekend. It's a 4-day trip, 3-day trip I should say. Non-stop fishing. Should have some good vids for you coming. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on SC Outdoors.